Hello guys, it's me Karthik. Hope you guys are doing really good. So basically in our key vault playlist, what we have discussed is we have discussed how we can create a key, how we can get a value from the key, how we can update a key. Now we will see how we can delete a key and how to retrieve the list of deleted keys as well. Okay, so for that purpose, I am at this place where in the controller. Okay, so let me take a delete mapping here directly. Okay, something like delete key with by passing key name as a path variable. Okay, key name as a path variable. So keep it like public void delete key. Okay, and let me use path variable here, key, and this should be of a string type. Okay, now how we can delete it? Basically I have imported secret client, right? Here if we go and do something like alt F12, there is something called delete, or you have this purge delete, purge deleted secret, something like this you can use it. Okay, delete. Yeah, I think that should be sufficient. Okay, so go here and here. Okay, and we have the secret client, right? Then do purge selected, purge deleted secret. Okay, now pass on the key from the path variable. Okay, this should delete the key. Now how can I get the list of keys which were deleted recently? For that as well, there is a method in the secret client that we will see now, like get deleted keys. As an endpoint I am taking in my get mapping. Okay, so public void get deleted keys. Okay, now if you go here, secret client dot get, no, not get, here list. Now you could see here deleted keys, which is nothing but introduce a local variable here. What you will get is page iterable. Okay, so now apply a for loop on this item delete secret, because this is of delete secret type, right? So let's take it as ds in deleted secrets. This for loop I can get, then I will have ds dot get name. Okay, cool. Now let me take a list here of a string type called deleted names is equal to new array list. Right, now with this I'm going to add it here, dot add of this. Okay, now once I have it, I can simply return my deleted names and change the return type to the list of string. This should be sufficient, guys. So we have explored these two functionalities, purge and delete key, and secret of, secret dot list deleted secret, to get the list of deleted secrets, right? Now let's go to the main application, I mean main method, and run that. In the meantime, let's you know uh, set our endpoint properly in the postman. Okay, delete key slash, what is the key name I need to pass? Here I have this keyboard 2 as a key vault, and in that I have these many secrets, right? Let me pass welcome as a key name. So this, and this is of delete type, delete key. Okay, So it should start our application very soon. Now I'm ready with my endpoint. Okay, my application is also ready. Let me click on the send here. If you go here, uh, this is requesting here. Now you see the logs properly. Yeah, I think there is some sort of exception. I found it 500 exception. Why? Because is with my account basically I don't have the delete permission. You see here for the user other group application is does not have secret to purge. That's okay because that's my account level issue, but the process is this, guys. Okay, now let's go to the get mapping and get all the deleted keys. Get mapping and get all the deleted keys. Do I get anything here? No, because there's nothing. Okay, there's nothing deleted, but our piece of code is working fine. Okay, so there were little bit of limitations are there with my account. That's why I could not able to show you with real-time data, but that's okay, that's fine. Okay, I hope if you have the access you can explore that, and if it got deleted then you simply need to come here and see whether it is deleted or not. Ideally it should be if that works fine. Okay, yeah, I think that's it from this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. It's me, Karthik, signing.